For years, the primary limitation of artificial intelligence was physical execution. While a chatbot could write a brilliant email or generate a complex script, a human still had to copy the text, open the application, move the cursor, paste the data, and click send. The machine did the thinking, but the person did the manual labor. In March of 2026, that barrier disappeared. A new class of AI agents launched that watch your screen, calculate coordinates, move your mouse, and type directly into your apps. Instead of asking for a draft, you dictate a goal, and the software takes autonomous physical control of your desktop. This chart shows the OS World Verified Benchmark Scores, a test measuring if AI can operate a real computer across multiple applications. OpenAI's system scored 75%, surpassing the human expert baseline of 72.4%. By this metric, the software is measurably superior to a human professional at the physical operation of a computer. Handing over physical control removes the biggest friction point in daily office work. However, this shift inherently grants a piece of software the same level of system access as the person who owns the computer. The system navigates through a screenshot loop. The AI visually analyzes the screen, placing geometric bounding boxes over buttons and fields. Once mapped, it calculates coordinates, moves the cursor, clicks, and types data. It then takes another screenshot, repeating this loop until the task finishes. Companies like UiPath deployed self-healing enterprise agents that rely on the visual intent of the interface. If a software update rearranges the layout and moves a critical button, the agent looks at the screen, deduces the new location, and keeps working without a human needing to fix the automation script. The race to package this capability into everyday office products is currently dominated by billion-dollar players. Anthropic launched Claude Cowork, a desktop app that executes natural language commands across specialized workflows like legal document processing and biology research. You describe your goal, and it operates your actual desktop applications to achieve it. Perplexity built a platform called Computer that takes a different route. It breaks a single human goal into subtasks and routes each one to whichever of its 19 specialized AI models handles that specific task best. In a study of over 16,000 queries, this graphic compares human work hours to Perplexity's system. It compressed 3.25 years of human labor into a 4-week timeline, resulting in $1.6 million in labor cost savings. Microsoft is building this directly into Office with Copilot Cowork. It runs complex tasks in protected cloud environments overnight. You can start a process, close your laptop, and the work is finished when you wake up the next morning. Every routine task that involves clicking through screens, copying data between apps, and updating spreadsheets has been functionally automated. These digital entities cost a fraction of a human salary and never require a break. To perform these tasks, the AI requires the exact same system permissions, file access, and passwords as the human user it is assisting. The most popular open-source framework for building these agents is called OpenClaw. Right now, there are over 135,000 instances of it running globally, and they operate without default sandboxing. Sandboxing is a security mechanism that isolates running programs to prevent them from interacting with the rest of your computer. Without it, whatever banking app or private email you can access, the agent can access too. These agents run on what are called agent skills. Agent skills are simple natural language text files that give the AI instructions rather than traditional lines of code. This diagram shows two identical-looking agent skill files. Because instructions are written in plain English, traditional antivirus software cannot scan them. An audit found 20% of the registry contained hidden instructions secretly routing data to external servers. Users downloaded what they thought were helpful productivity tools, but were actually 824 specific skills programmed to steal browser credentials, cryptocurrency wallets, and SSH keys. SSH keys are cryptographic keys used to gain secure access to a remote computer or server. The situation escalated when a remote code execution vulnerability was discovered. Simply visiting a compromised website allowed an attacker to take complete control of your AI agent, giving them control of your entire machine. The fallout was immediate. Meta banned the framework from every corporate device. China's government ordered state-owned enterprises to eliminate it, and cybersecurity agencies in Belgium and the Netherlands issued formal warnings to their citizens. If you work at a desk, these tools will be offered to you within the year. This creates a new mandate. You must demand strict sandboxing and permission audits before allowing any open-source agent on your device. You must also evaluate your daily tasks. You have to separate the routine screen clicking from the work that requires actual human judgment. An agent can already click through screens faster than you, meaning human judgment is what keeps you employed. AI has moved beyond conversation. These systems now operate with full access to our local data and applications, performing tasks autonomously while inheriting every vulnerability of the human accounts they control.